everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys another mango haul. I'm absolutely loving their stuff right now. Anyway, if you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And also you can follow me on my Instagram where I post lots of fun things, updates, and of course outfit inspiration. So go ahead and follow me there and let's get started. By the way, if I get shiny throughout the video, it's because it's really hot and I have like combination skin. I'm pretty oily, so if I start to shine more and more like a disco ball, that's why. So first thing I got here are these pair of pants and I love them. Are these pair of pants? Is this pair of pants? What's wrong with me? First thing I got are these pants and I really like them because it has that whole slouchy look. And it's great if you're looking for comfortability, which is #1 on my scale, next to, of course, it looking good, but if you get both, why not? So this is great because it passes the any sit test. I can sit however I want, I can move however I want, and I don't have to worry about it. Sits nicely on your waist, your hips. I love it. And I really like the color of it because it's neutral. You can put anything with it, and it's very easy to make outfits with it. Next thing I got is this denim jacket. I really like it because of the color and the collar. I know that most oversized jackets or denim jackets, they tend to not have the high neck, but this one it does, and I really like it for that. Also, what's really cool about it is that it has these patches on them, so you can't really see it from far, but as you get closer, it's really cool. You can see the different color blocks. And so I really like that about it. It makes it really interesting and unique, but at the same time, it has a very simple cut. And so you can really pair this with anything. I can wear it with dresses underneath. I can wear it with pants. I can wear it with shorts. So I really like that. And whatever you choose to wear underneath as well, anything will go with it because it's a neutral and the cut is really simple and minimalistic. So I love versatile pieces like this. So next piece I got is this pencil skirt, and believe it or not, I actually don't own any skirts like this in terms of color and just how basic it is. Just a basic, no nonsense pencil skirt, because it's actually quite hard for me to find one that has good material, and it's extremely important, especially for pencil skirts, because it does it sticks to your body. So it's important that it's proportionate. It's important that it fits your body the way that you want it to, but at the same time, the material is important as well. Because it's something that sticks on your body, you want to make sure that it's not too thin of a material where you can see everything. And even if you wore, you know, the proper underwear and things like that, when the sunlight hits you a certain way or any kind of lighting, sometimes it shows too much and you're not even aware. So material is really important in that regard, and I find that this pencil skirt delivers on that, which I really like. Fit is also great. It's got stretchy material, so again, it fits with how your body is, which I really like. So I really can't complain. Also, in terms of the length, it's exactly where I wanted it to hit. All right, next thing I have here is this really nice black dress. Now, you won't believe it because I say that it is an essential to have a black dress. You guys have heard this. I say it too, but I actually don't own one. This is the first one that I would consider. The little black dress that you can go to. And the reason being is that it's really hard for me to find just a simple black dress that you can take anywhere with you. Now, when you say a little black dress, it's not just any black dress. Really, it has to be a dress that is versatile, that you can take in any occasion, whether it's a more special occasion or a casual situation. I don't know why I didn't say casual occasion, it just didn't sound right to me, so casual situation. And I find that this dress is like that. For the material and how light it is, I actually thought that it was gonna be, I don't know, warmer when I wore it because it is a body fit dress. I really like that, but it's actually really light, and that's what caught my attention when I first wore it. However, I do have to say that while it sticks to your body nicely, I would say from the waist down, it did fit me well. However, on the top, I again had to get that altered because for me personally, I am smaller on the chest area, on the top area. And so I already knew coming in that with dresses or anything that has to do with fitted tops, I already come in with the idea that there's a strong chance or a big chance that I would need to get it tailored. All right, last thing I got here is this not a leather jacket, although it looks like it could be a leather jacket. So cool thing about it is it's actually suede, but it took the form of what you would normally see as a leather, you know, motorcycle jacket. But I like the take on the material. So I told you guys that I was recently exploring different texture, different material, and I like that take. So when I first saw it on Mango, I was like, oh my gosh, I love the idea. And I especially love the fit of it. Now, because it is suede, it's less bulkier than leather, which is perfect because it just, for me, I like the fit because it's not as bulky as most leather jackets or, you know, faux leather jackets. I really like it. It still keeps the same shape, but there's something about the suede that just makes it more interesting. It's kind of like the difference between, you know, a satin black shoe and a matte suede shoe. It's like the difference in material just changes the way you look at the piece. And so I think this is one of my favorite pieces ever in my wardrobe. But even from the purchases of this haul, I really, really, really like it. Alright, you guys, so that was everything. As you can see, I stuck more to the basics. So the reason that I've stuck to basics is because I am working on my upcoming videos. I want to show you guys different ways of using the same piece and just creating different outfits, because honestly, yes, we can have different products, different purchases, but we want to maximize each and every piece so that we can really get our full investment from it. So be on the lookout for those videos. Anyway, leave me in the comments down below which pieces you guys like the most. I would really love to know. I want to know what your opinion is like. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one.